जन्म जहां पर, अन्न जहां का, अन्न जहां का, वस्त्र जहां के, वस्त्र जहां के, वो है प्यारा, वो है प्यारा, इसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा? इसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा? कैसे करोगे? कैसे करोगे? देश की ताकत, देश की दौलत, देश की ताकत, देश की दौलत, वंदे 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 भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, जय भारत, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय हिंद।
My heart swells with pride and gratitude. This is not just a date on the calendar, it is the nation's heartbeat. The day when India's soul broke free from the chain of colonial rule on August 15, 1947. Independence was not just a gift to us, it was earned by unshakable courage, supreme sacrifices of our countless freedom fighters and many unsung heroes. Freedom was not just about flying our tricolor high, but it is about the protection of our unity, valuing our dignity and diversity, and carrying forward the dream of stronger India. Let us promise to respect our freedom and follow the dignity and our duties as sincerely as we demand our rights, and become the kind of citizens our forefathers dreamed of. In the words of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, one individual may die with an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in thousands of lives. Let us become those thousand lives and keep the freedom alive. Jai Hind, thank you.
मेरा नाम शुभकामना शर्मा है। मैं कक्षा 5A की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष एक हिंदी की कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है स्वदेश। वारिदें नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। जो जीवित जोश जगा न सका, उस जीवन में कुछ सार नहीं। जो चल न सका संसार संग, उसका होता संसार नहीं। जिसने साहस को छोड़ दिया, वह पहुंच सकेगा पार नहीं। जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, वह तीर जिसमें रसधार नहीं। वारिदें नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। जिसकी मिट्टी में उगे बड़े काया, जिसमें दाना पानी, जिस पर ज्ञानी भी मरते हैं, जिस पर है दुनिया दीवानी, उस पर है नहीं पसीजा। जो क्या है वह भूखा हार नहीं। वारिदें नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। है काल दीप जलता हरदम, जल जाना है परवानों को। है लज्जा की यह बात शक्ल, आए आके दिखलाने को। धिक्कार मढूनी को, ऐसी लानत मर्दाने बाने को। सब कुछ है अपने हाथों में, क्या तुम नहीं तलवार नहीं। वारिदें नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। वारिदें नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद आपका।
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name
I'm just like you.
My name is Shuprada. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shuprada. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you.
My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is India. I'm from India. My name is India. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, our country is celebrating 79 years of freedom. Every year on 15 August, we remember the day in 1947 when India became free from the British rule. But this day is not just about celebrations. It is about remembering the long struggle, the sacrifices, and the dream of a free India. We are lucky to be born in an independent nation, but this freedom did not come to us easily. For more than 200 years, our country was under British rule. Our ancestors, leaders, soldiers, and even common people fought with courage. Some picked up weapons, some protested without violence, and many gave their lives. But friends, Independence Day is not only about looking at the past, it is about looking at the present and the future. Our freedom comes with responsibility. We must protect it. We must respect our country. How? By being honest citizens, by keeping our surroundings clean, by following the law and respecting each other. Today, India is growing fast in science, technology, sports and culture. But we still face challenges like poverty, corruption, pollution and inequality. It is our duty as the youth of this nation to solve these problems and fight these, just like our freedom fighters fought for our freedom. So my dear friends, let us promise we will love our country, we will respect its unity and diversity, and we will make it together a better world, because the future of India is in our hands. On this special day, let's remember the words of our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The nation doesn't need to be built by few leaders. It is required to be built by each and every individual. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.
सम्मानित अतिथिगण, मैं कीर्ति मिश्रा कक्षा 9B की छात्रा आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी के समक्ष स्वर्गीय माननीय श्री अटल बिहारी जी की एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। भारत जमीन का टुकड़ा नहीं, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। हिमालय मस्तक है, कश्मीर किरीट है, पंजाब और बंगाल दो विशाल कंधे हैं, पूर्वी और पश्चिमी घाट दो विशाल जंघाएं हैं, कन्याकुमारी इसके चरण है, सागर इसके पग पखारता है। यह चंदन की भूमि है, अभिनंदन की भूमि है, तर्पण की भूमि है, अर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इसके लिए और मरेंगे तो इसके लिए। भारत कोई भूमिवान टुकड़ा नहीं, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। यह चंदन की भूमि है, यह अभिनंदन की भूमि है, तर्पण की भूमि है, यह अर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए। और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी असीम
that we celebrate. Each festival which we are able to celebrate is because of this. So today is the day of freedom. Yes? So as we stand under the tricolor, it is the time to remember and pay tribute to all the freedom fighters, to all the unsung heroes. So it is a task which I am giving to each one of you. Today you will find out that how many are the freedom fighters and you know how many of them. So this is one very important task which I am giving to each one of you. And on Monday we will have an activity wherein you will speak or write or whatever you want to do for those freedom fighters. Children, freedom is not easy. Freedom is not the way that we get to live freely. It is our duty to live rightly. That is what freedom tells you. Freedom tells you to always respect the diversity and the culture that we have and respect our unity. Celebrate the unity that our country has. It also tells you that it is a responsibility for each one of you to save the environment for the future and also to stand for the injustice, against the injustice, against any inequality which is happening anywhere. It is your responsibility to be good citizens. So children, you are the torch bearers. You are the ones, your actions will decide that how the India will be of 2047. That is the day when we will be celebrating 100 years of independence. Yes? So it is in your hand. It is in your hand, you know, our freedom fighters, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Patel and countless many others had ignited the flame of courage and pride. So children, all of you, I request to keep that flame alive. And you know what? How the India is today. India in 2025 is the one which is exploring space, is the one which is technologically so sound. We are becoming global leaders. We are the ones who are celebrating our culture. We are feeling proud of our rich cultural heritage. This is what India was created and is still following. So remember, we were Sone Ki Chidiya. Do you remember that? And we are still. And we will now be, you know, we are global leaders. Yes or no? So this is, my dear children, you are the torch bearers. And you know, big changes does not happen with any big revolution. It happens with each step every day. So what is your duty as students? You have to just be students who does their work regularly, children who follow the rules and regulations of whatever is of the country and of your school. Be disciplined students and consistently be regular every day. When you do your duty of a student properly, this is how you serve the nation. Because you are the ones we will be handing over the baton to. You are the ones who will create a beautiful India. So it is your responsibility that you take each step, each work which you do with dedication and hard work and also consistent effort, which I always keep promoting. So when I say, in the words of Abdul Kalam, if I say that the future of India is decided by the youth. So you have to dream and dream big. And these dreams should be converted into thoughts. And these thoughts should be converted into good actions. So that is what we want from my dear children. Will you make my India proud? Yes or no? Loudly. Yes. So, children, as you must have heard this song, that लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, रखना मेरे बच्चों इस देश को संभाल के. Will you do that? It's a big, big responsibility which I am handing over to each one of you today. It is your responsibility with small little effort of being a very good student. You can make our country a big, proud nation which rise in the whole world. So, in the last, I would like to conclude with a thanks to all of you who are present here and have joined in for the celebration of Independence Day, the biggest festival. And thanks to my dear teachers, my support staff, all those who have contributed for this event have worked silently to make it run smoothly. And thanks to my dear children who have performed so well on the stage and brought the energy, the enthusiasm and the vibration of pride in each one of us. When I hear the speech from the head girl, from the head boy, I feel my India is in good hands. And India will be rising because my children are promising. They have so much promises to give us. So, in last, I would conclude that arise, awake, and stop not until you reach your goals. Thank you, children, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.